Hi friends, I am recording this video as a part 2. Just now I placed a video. One gentleman in Seattle, Washington state gave a rental to one girl, MS, not girl, woman, MS student in some university in Texas. Without paying rent, she ran away. Then he shared the story. He is not proceeding legally, but I just seek an advice of American attorney who answer my questions, right? So then he just now replied. There are two comments I read, and I will give my analysis or judgment, whatever. So he wrote, so there is nothing he, that means the landlord, nor the police can do. He is fortunate that she didn't stay. Legally, that was her residence. It would have taken 4 to 5 months and $5,000 plus in legal costs. Oh my God, to evict her, and she could have thrashed the place. Oh my God. So, dear attorney sir, thank you for your prompt response and patience in helping us. I will definitely advise the fellow Indians to be careful with Indians, not to believe just by caste or region or language we speak in India. Mostly Andhrites, they think that okay, our Telugu language, our Telangana, our Andhra, our Vijayawada, our Tenali, something like that, they give a rent thinking that helping the other person. But America is for purely dollars. If we have good heart, somebody will ditch us. So for that, another sister wrote an advice. Indians, period. She wrote, no matter the tenant's ethnicity, it is important to do background checks. Yeah, you need to do a background check. After I gone through that MS women's profiles and all, I felt like she's a criminal. She just ran away, right? Like shoplifting. And not knowing this, some stupid guy writing a lot of filthy identity, YouTube stopped his comments. So no matter tenant's ethnicity, it's important to do background checks and have a lease documents. For $1,000 issue, civil lawyers can help since the police won't get involved because it is not a huge amount theft. So that's what you need to do. Yeah, coming to my judgment, America is dollars, green card, US passport. So if you have a house, don't don't rent the rooms for Indians, because I'm not against India or Indians, because this is a problem. Eviction is a problem, and rent they don't pay promptly, right? So let them live in motel or somewhere. For example, I stayed in motel, $50 a night. I paid for 3 months, though it is more expenditure is beyond my limits, but still I stayed because I don't want to live with Indians anymore of previous bad experience, and I live with Americans. Americans have guns, and any issues, you are gone. Indians in the East Coast, it's very cold, -degrees. Staying with Indians, it is like better to sleep on the floor and die in the cold rather than living with Indians. That much torture you have to face it in America. Not all, but majority. And one stupid guy writing lots of filthy attacking in person. YouTube blocked him, his comments. He is attacking in person. How can I approve his comments, right? So, because Indians basically here, they think that if you write anything about F1 visa, they all get denied. Or if you write anything about a woman, female, they got. But here the crime, you have to see, right? The person showed me the evidence. She lived in his house, not paid, and ran away and all. So if she paid rent, why does he complain, right? So, but that is what happening, and very careful when you rent. But you see, something is wrong in India. That's why we all fled and came to America. And if you are an honest or confronting type like me, don't give rent to anyone. This is my advice. Just for few bucks, if you give, you lose your peace of mind. And never ever share your bedroom or kitchen with anyone, tenants or whatever, dolls, because what happened, Harrisburg Sanvi case you have seen, right? The person saw gold in their house, and he killed the grandchildren, and grandma came from India for babysitting and theft the gold, and he theft the gold. and several roommates they fight arguments, and someone watching my videos and other roommate beat him, or arguments, and lot of issues, Allah Bulla. So better not to rent to anyone, and you live by yourself peacefully. This is my only sincere advice after going through all these sad stories. And don't try to help someone here, because if you try to help, they come and bite you, ditch you, right? So that's what happens, and let them stay elsewhere. Why do you need? And someone wrote in Telugu comments, confession slowly in Instagram. I went and read. Lots of sad stories are there. But again, I repeat, don't give rent desis just because there is desis blindly. So do a background vigilance, background check, or better not to give. Thank you. If because I want you to live peacefully in a foreign country. Don't mess up. Even if you give a rent after background check, what if they destroyed your passport, Indian passport, US passport, or green card? It's hell, right? Or the theft, for example. So live happily, be an American. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.